In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. First of all, you need to pinch your device's display. Now tap on this gear icon at the bottom right corner. Click on More. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Icon Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you finished, click on the Home button and choose this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!